School. I am your science teacher. We are learning chapter 10, gravitation. Now last time in gravitation what we saw was the universal law of gravitation. Then we saw importance of universal law of gravitation. The next what we saw is a free fall. Free fall means whenever you release any object, right, from certain height, it can be anything, or somebody is falling down, what is the speed or acceleration of the space? So every second the speed is changing by 9.8 meter per second. So basically if it is changing speed, we call it as acceleration. So basically what is the acceleration? Acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. Now what is the motion of objects under the influence of gravitational force of the earth? Now you know Galileo, right, that is a scientist that have done an experiment at, he has done an experiment at where? Leaning Tower of Pisa. And what he did is he tried to throw an object in a downward direction, right, from the top of n. Finally whatever these equations, we learn three equations of motion: v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as. All that equation in which you can see a, this a get converted into g, right, this a get converted into g. So now we write v is equal to u plus at, instead we will write v is equal to u plus gt. Okay. So this is what, when you apply a is replaced by g. Okay. So g is a constant on earth, and all this equation in which a is replaced by g. So we got all equations, but that equation converted into v is equal to u plus gt, s is equal to ut plus half gt square, and v square is equal to u square is equal to 2gs. Clear? Everyone understood what I am trying to say? Now let's see ahead. What is next? We have mass. Now we all wonder and we all know mass. Mass, if you see, what do we call mass, right? Mass and weight, that is the most common things which when the people get confused of. Okay, if somebody asks you what is your weight, or let's say if you are weighing 40 kg on your weighing scale, right? If you are weighing only 40 kg on your weighing scale, if somebody asks what is your weight, so you say 40 kg. Then what is your mass? So you say 40 kg. So is this mass and weight both are same, or they have some difference? Okay, is mass and weight both are same? And the question is no, they are not same, they are different. Mass and weight both are different, they are not same. So what is difference in that? What do you call mass? Mass is the measure of matter. Mass is a measure of matter in your body. Matter is what? So bones, skin, right, flesh, everything, blood, everything, when you include, we call it as mass. Okay. Then you must be wondering, sir, then what is weight, right? Is there something else that should we do it? No. Mass of an object is a measure of inertia. So basically it is, mass of an object is always constant and does not change from place to place. For example, if you go to moon or you go to some other planet and you find out your mass will remains the same, it will not change. Your mass will remains the same, it will not change. So the question is it same? Is it same as mass or weight? No, weight is not that. Okay. So again I repeat, what is mass? Mass is a measure of your matter in a body, blood, flesh, bones, everything. But you know, we are on earth attracts us. Okay. So this force of mass is because the mass also, the force which is exerted on us, right, it is a combination of two things, mass and acceleration due to gravity. So whenever we write down weight is nothing but that is a force that attracts us towards the earth. So what is the formula for mass? Again, see, understood. What is weight? Weight is actually the force which we are applying on earth, right? For example, you must have wondered that when you go to beach and you put your feet on your sand, yeah, when you put your feet on sand, what happen? You get penetrate inside it, okay? But the question is why? There must be some force exerted on your feet, right? And what is that force? It is the multiplication of mass and acceleration. But this acceleration is due to gravitational force, Earth, and that is nothing but we call it as weight. So we call this as mass, but weight we call it as W is equal to mg. What is G and what is M? M is your mass and G is your gravitational acceleration. And what is gravitational acceleration on earth? It is 9.8 meter per second square. What is it? G is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, so this value is constant on earth, but let's say if you go on moon, it is not same, the value will change. It is not same, the value will change, it will change to something else. Okay, so that is what we are saying. Mass is always remains the same, but weight will not be same. Weight will not be same. Understood what I am trying to say? Mass will remains the same, but weight will not be same. Clear everyone? So that is what first and the foremost thing I want to put it in your feet, that mass and weight are not same, they both are different. Mass is a measure of the matter, it also depend upon inertia. Basically, if you mass is more, the inertia will be more. Clear? And weight, it is a product of mass and gravitational acceleration. So we call it as W is equal to mg. And weight, definitely weight depends upon mass, right? But weight also depend upon G. If you change your location means if you go somewhere else, then your weight will also get changed, right? Your weight will also get changed. Understood everyone what I am trying to say? Your weight will also change. So that is what we have to understood. That is what we have to understood. So mass and weight, they both are different thing. Mass and weight, we both are different thing, and they depend upon very simple and clear logic, that is this thing. Okay. So mass and weight, they both depend upon very in a simple straight logic. Clear what I am trying to tell you? Clear? So understood one and a simple logic of mass and weight. Mass and weight, they both depend upon, they both are different and they both depend upon very in a simple logic like this. Clear everyone? Okay, I hope you understood what I am trying to tell you. Fine. So this is what I wanted to tell you, mass and weight. It's about mass and weight, right? So mass is always constant, while mass is always constant. But if you talk about weight, right? If we talk about weight, that weight depends upon two things. It is directly proportional to mass, and second thing, it is also depend upon G. As what I said, let's say if I measure my mass on earth, if you measure your mass on earth, then you go to moon, will your mass will remain same? Will your mass will remain same? Will your weight will remain same, or will your mass will remain same? Your mass will remain same, but the weight will change because weight has G inside its formula. Okay. So understood, if you go to any planet, your mass will remains the same, but if you go to any planet and find your weight will not be same, it will change as per G. Okay. Fine, that's it for the day. Thank you so much, and try to see this video properly and understood. Thank you.